Hi guys, it's Ariel and welcome to my YouTube channel, Make by Ariels. So I know it's been forever since I posted last on my YouTube channel and I'm so sorry about that. I've missed YouTube so much, which is why I've decided to film this look for you guys today. And I'm hoping that a lot more looks will be on the way, so please stay tuned for that. If you are not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscription button and hit that little notification bell so you know when every time I post. It won't annoy you, I promise. It's like once or twice a month. Let's be real. Anyway, so I decided to film this look right here for you guys today. This is a lavender smoky eye / lavender look that got inspired by this lavender shirt that I just bought from Forever 21 just because I was so excited about the shirt that I filmed a makeup tutorial about it. Ooh, thank you, the shirt. It's only $10. It's not bad. It's like $9.80 on sale. Anyway, so I'm going to stop rambling because we got to get into this makeup look. So, please stay tuned. Keep on watching. So for primer today, I'm going to be going into the Makeup Obsession Even Out Anti-Redness Primer. And I'm just going to be applying that using my clean hands. Then we're just going to hop into foundation, and today I'm going to be using the Tarte Amazonian Clay Full Coverage 12-Hour Foundation in the color Fairly Light Beige. And I'm just going to go ahead and plop that little dollop, that's a cute dollop, huh? Little dollop on the back of my hand. And then with a damp Real Techniques Beauty Sponge, I'm going to go ahead and blend that all over my face. Then I'm going to be going in with my Real Techniques 200 brush with my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm just going to go ahead and set that foundation with this middle color right here. It's called Light, I believe. And I'm just going to go ahead and set that in my T-zone, under my eyes, just where I know that I crease. And a lot of people do crease and get oily right around their nose, so I really like to buff it in so that way wherever, like whenever the makeup moves, or if you're like getting oily throughout the day, the makeup will stay. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. So then to contour, I'm still going to be in the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, but I'm going to be using my Luxie Light Contour, is that what this is called? Small contour brush. And I'm going to be going in with this color right here. It is called Subconscious. Exciting. And with that color, I'm just going to be contouring, and then I'm going to go in later to this one, right in the middle. Can you see that? Yeah, you can. To bronze up the face, just because later on I'm going to be bronzing my chest and neck, and I don't want to be uneven where my body is like tan and then my face is white. I used to have the problem of my face being too tan, and now I have the problem where my body's too tan. You know, we really go back and forth with my pale self, okay? It's a hard life. So with the contouring, I'm just bringing it right under the cheekbones and moving my small contour brush in a circular motion away from the middle of my face. That way it just creates a nice blended look where there's no harsh lines. Then also going on the sides of my forehead, top of my forehead. I have kind of a long forehead, so I really like to just shorten it just a little bit. And then make sure you're connecting right here at your temple, or else you're going to have like a chunk of brown and a chunk of brown, and we don't like that unblended look. No. We want seamless. We want blended. I feel like you can really tell that I've been out of YouTube for a good minute. Like, I've just like decided to take a break, and now that I'm coming back, I'm like, how does one like talk about their makeup? Because I have still been like in my bathroom, literally in my bathroom alone. No one's there. It's like 6 in the morning. I'm doing my makeup, and I am like going through the steps. I'm like, so first off today, guys, and I'm like, no one's gonna see this, like, ever. It's not recording. I'm just by myself with my cat. My cat knows makeup. I really want to start fake tanning again, just because I love being bronzy, and it's summer. I want to look tan. I live in California and I'm super pale. Okay guys, so now we're going to be going into one of my favorite blushes. It is this color right here. It's called Smoked Peach, and it's by, I want to say, Bang Beauty. I love this blush so much that I've literally carried it around everywhere, and the little print on it's kind of coming off, but I'm pretty sure it's Bang Beauty. And I'm going to be applying that with a Real Techniques Fluffy Blush Brush. It's the number 400. Yeah. So what I love about this blush is you can see it has like little highlight in it already, so that way it's just, it illuminates, Okay friends, so I'm gonna go ahead and do both my eyebrows off camera and one eye off of camera, and then I will be right back. Okay, so now that we are all up close and personal, we can take a look at our eye look today. And please, please, please ignore my eyebrows. I'm letting them grow out right now so that I can get them reshaped. Please don't look at them. We're going to go ahead and start by priming our eyelids. So today I'm going to be using the Lorac Behind the Scenes Eye Primer. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that on my eye like directly from the little tube. It has like a little dispenser. And put that right on my eye and just blend it out using my ring finger. So I'm going to be taking my Jane blending brush with my Pop Beauty little Insta Eye Purple Pop palette. I'm going to be going ahead with this bright purple right here and putting that kind of like on the outer V of my eye and working it into my crease. Next, with my Luxie 227 blending brush, I'm going to go ahead and my Kat Von D Maybe the Loca palette, take this purple color right here called Anthem, and go ahead and follow that exact pattern that I just had with the outer V and crease, just a little bit more neatly, just because this color, as you can see, is a little brighter, a little more pigment. In that same Maybe the Loca palette, I'm going to be taking the color Strutter, that is right there, that little light brown, on my Scone blending brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that on top next to my brow bone, just to blend out the purple, kind of smoothen out all of the edges and blend the two transition colors together. Next up, we're going into our Smashbox Double Exposure palette, and I'm going to be going into the color Mauve, which is this little top lavender one right up here. And on my concealer brush, I'm going to go ahead and get that wet with my setting spray. And getting the brush wet is really going to make this color stand out, be very metallic on our eye. As you can tell, ooh, it is such a pretty lavender color. I love this color. This color honestly makes the look. Careful with this though, because there is going to be fallout. So we'll clean it up in a bit. Don't even worry about it. Don't stress. We're fine. Now with my Sephora pencil brush, I'm going to go ahead and go back into that first color that I used from Pop Beauty and put that right on my lower lash line. This is going to be the kind of the transition one, since we're going to go in with a little bit of a darker shade as well. Back into the Maybe the Loca palette, I'm going to go into the color Muse, which is right there, the lavender color. And then on a blending brush, I'm going to go ahead and put that in my inner corner. This will kind of be our light inner corner highlight, just to tie in all of the purple. Next, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. liquid liner just to line my eyes. As you can see, I'm not doing anything too crazy. I am winging it out just a little bit, but it's not too thick, not too long. Let's just make sure that they're even. We pray for this right now. Then for mascara, I'm going to be going into my Lancome Grandiosa Extreme mascara and just coating my lashes before we put on some falsies. Okay guys, so we are almost done. Now that we're done with the eyes, let's go ahead and hop into neck and chest area. So I have this little Huda Beauty. I love Huda Beauty. But this is by Benefit, so I'm going to go ahead and just, why do I wear necklaces sometimes? Put that on. And then it's just like a huge fluffy blending brush, just blend that out, just so we look evenly tan and distributed. So since we're doing a lavender look, I kind of wanted to use a highlighter that had a purple undertone, and I've been using this one. I accidentally bought it. I didn't realize it had a purple undertone to it when I got it. So this is the L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi Shimmerista in the color Oh, 505 Moonlight. Found it. I found the color. Don't worry. I'm going to be applying that using my Real Techniques 402 brush. This is just a little, it's a setting brush, but, you know. Ooh, do you see that? That little, And it's going to blend in to that highlight that was encoded in the blush earlier, and you're just going to be glowing. Glowing. Do you see this, friends? I am literally like deceased right now. I haven't seen this highlight on this camera with this lighting yet, and I am living for it. So for highlight, we just want to go on the highest points of our faces, so our cheekbone area right here. And as you can see, I did my Cupid's bow, tip of the nose, bridge of the nose. Go. And then with a little baby brush, I'm going to go ahead into the inner corners and brow bone. Friends, we can't forget our collarbones. Just, we want to be dewy. We want to be glowy. Especially if you're wearing an off-the-shoulder shirt like this, like a little boat. What is this, boat neckline? Yes. We want to show off all of our highlighting skills. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. I'm living. Okay, friends, we are almost done. I've had so much fun doing this look. I missed YouTube. Anyway, so first off for lips, I'm going to be going ahead into my NYX Professional Makeup lip liner. This is in the color Sugar Glass. Then I'm going to be going into my Anastasia liquid lipstick in the color Poet. And I'm really lightly applying this. Just like a couple, like I'm gonna... And then lastly, I'm also going to be going over that with an Anastasia Beverly Hills gloss. This is in the color Saint Tropez, and I love this color. It is so beautiful. It is so glossy. Are you ready for this? Whew. Now we are almost officially done. Now we just gotta set it all together. So I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Spray and Set Makeup Extender Setting Spray. Okay, my lovelies, so this is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you try this look on your own, please be sure to tag me on Instagram. My username is the @makeup@Ariels. And that is all I have for you guys this week. I am so glad to be back on YouTube. I've missed you guys so much. So I hope you stay tuned to the more videos that I'm going to be posting soon. And yeah, I love you guys so much. See you next week, beautifuls. Bye!